Hi, Addie Bug. Are you ready to have some carrot? You ready? Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. It's good. You like it? Oh, see, it's not so bad. Alright, let's clear off your mouth. Woo! You drama queen. Jackson, don't do that. Your brother's throwing peas. Alright, let's try this one more time. 1, 2... Are they just bad? No, they're good. I love you.